Page number 74. Chapter 18. May I come in?
May I come in, teacher?
Please, come in. Come in, Ashok. What's the matter?
I have a bad headache.
Oh, do you want to go home and rest?
Yes, please.
Page number 75.
But Ashok, can you go alone? Or should I call your father?
My house is nearby. I can go alone, sir.
All right then. Take care, huh?
Thank you, sir.
To the teacher. Read out the dialogue. Then ask the students to say Ashok's sentences and you say the teacher's sentences. Page number 76.
Let's try this. 1. Butterflies.
Butterflies, butterflies, up, up, up.
Butterflies, butterflies, down, down, down.
Butterflies, butterflies, in, in.
Butterflies, butterflies, out, out, out.
Out, out, out. Page 77. 2. Write the color of the object in the space given. Here is a picture of a ball. Find out what color is this.
Here is a picture of a leaf. Can you imagine what color is it?
And again, here is a picture of a flower. Now tell us, what color is this?
Here is a picture of a chair. What color is it?
Have you seen an elephant?
Hmm.
What color is this?
And have you seen sun? How bright is it? Write down what color do you think it is.
To the teacher. Ask the students to stand in a circle and say the poem with actions to match. Help the students write the color of each object.